Think about the last 4 years you spent in school. The late nights, the exams, the thousands of dollars. Now, what if I told you that by this time next year, 40% of the skills you learned there will be completely handled by a $20 a month subscription? It's not a what if anymore. According to the latest 2026 workforce data, we are entering the great skill obsolescence. By 2027, nearly half of core job tasks, data entry, basic coding, routine writing, and even middle management scheduling will be fully automated. But here's the secret most AI doom channels won't tell you. While AI is coming for your tasks, it's actually creating a massive vacuum for a new kind of professional. Someone who doesn't just use AI, but someone who is AI-proof. Today, we aren't just looking at the scary headlines. We're building your 5-year roadmap. I'm going to show you the specific human-only skills that are skyrocketing in value and how you can use AI to double your productivity, making you the most expensive person in the room. If you want to be in the 1% that survives this transition, stay with me. For a long time, we thought AI would only replace blue-collar jobs. We were wrong. In 2026, the white-collar sector is feeling the heat. Junior analysts, copywriters, and even entry-level lawyers are finding that large action models can do their 8-hour workday in about 15 seconds. The problem isn't that AI is smarter than you. The problem is that AI is cheaper and faster at doing average work. If your job is to summarize reports, write emails, or organize data, you are in the danger zone. But here's the shift. Companies are realizing that while AI can generate content, it cannot generate intent. It can't understand the why behind a business decision. It can't navigate the messy, emotional politics of a boardroom. This is where the opportunity lives. Advertisers in the SaaS and B2B space are looking for people who can bridge the gap between raw AI data and human strategy. So, how do you become irreplaceable? You have to master the trinity of human value. First is complex empathy. AI can simulate a supportive tone, but it cannot feel empathy. In sales, leadership, and healthcare, the human connection is actually becoming more valuable because it's becoming rarer. People will pay a premium to talk to a human who truly gets them. Second is ethical judgment and accountability. When an AI makes a mistake in a multi-million-dollar contract, who goes to court? Not the software. Companies need human-in-the-loop professionals who take the legal and ethical responsibility for what the AI produces. That accountability tax is your new salary. Third is reading the long arc. AI is great at speed, but terrible at long-term thinking. It predicts the next word or the next trend based on the past. It can't predict a black swan event or have a visionary gut feeling about a product that doesn't exist yet. Stop trying to compete with AI. Start orchestrating it. Look at what IKEA did recently. Instead of firing their customer service staff, they trained them to become virtual design consultants using AI. The AI handles the "where is my order" questions, while the humans focus on "how do I design a beautiful living room?" Here is your 2026 productivity stack. Take your daily tasks and divide them into collection, interpretation, and final check. Let AI do the 80% of the raw work, the drafting, the research, the formatting. You spend 100% of your energy on the final 20%, the tone, the accuracy, and the strategy. When you do this, you aren't just a worker. You are a manager of AI agents. You've effectively doubled your output without working a single extra hour. This is the exact profile that high-paying companies are hiring for right now. Here is your year-by-year survival guide. Year 1. Master prompt engineering and agent orchestration. Year 2. Build a digital presence. Your reputation is your only defense. Year 3. Move into high accountability roles like AI ethics or strategic operations. The future belongs to the curious, not the fearful. Don't let your degree be a relic of the past. Make it the foundation of an AI-powered future. Hit subscribe to stay ahead of the curve. I'll see you in the next one.